how to make homemade Doritos. Steps 1-7. Use your right hand to grab a potato. Grip the potato using the fingers of your right hand. Place the potato in the palm of your left hand. Grip the potato using the fingers of your left hand. Using your right hand, grip the potato peeler and scrape the potato skin to peel it off. Steps 8-9. Use your right hand to grab the knife. Slice the potato by pressing the knife in a downward motion. Repeat this step until the potato slices have been accomplished. Final steps. Fry the potato slices in super hot fire oil. Take them out and apply the Doritos seasoning. Homemade Doritos chips accomplished. Doritos. Taste the rainbow.
Subscribe did.
3, 2, 1.
That's spicy!
Do you need whipped cream?
What'd you do? Where's the whipped cream? Quick!
There we go! You need some water, Chad?
Oh no!